What should not be done during the first month after rhinoplasty? As our nose is in the middle of a face, it's very important for our appearance. Some deformations of the nose makes people unhappy, that's why nose job is done so often. We have age limit for these operations. A person must be older than 18 years old, because when a person is below this age, his cartilage and bone structure is not structured yet. The most popular operation usually takes about 2 hours to complete and is done under hospital conditions. Recovery period after rhinoplasty is normally very comfortable. If the operation is made only on nasal tip, we call it kipplast, then neither tampons nor splints are applied. That's why a person may come back to his or her social life on the next day after operation. If it's a comprehensive rhinoplasty surgery, if there is a nasal hump, then a general nose operation is performed. Recovery period is normally about 1 week. Light bruises and swellings naturally may occur, but they start to disappear in the first week after removal of the splint. After about 10 days, there will be no problem left. It's very important to protect your nose from any strikes. Such activities as regular jogging may be performed after 1 month after operation. Pilates or other activities like that may be performed in the second month after the operation.